Wonderland Weekly is proud to present Dorney Park 2022. Now sit back and have a wonderful trip abroad.
Such a cute ride. So unique. Love it.
Yeah.
The whale boats.
That is funny. They have a spider.
They do. Yes.
Do we have time for the spider?
I think we can make time for it. Yeah. A history lesson as you're on the ride.
This is awesome.
And yes, Amanda, I'm definitely taking you on that one.
What's this?
Possessed.
Oh, this is the scary one, right?
You're gonna say that about all of them. Are they getting ready to launch? Oh no, they're not. It is kind of awkward having just a construction fence on that side, though.
It is.
I mean, I guess it's not actually a construction fence, but just like the way that it's got like the scrim on it, and it's just like, okay.
I feel like fast lane is not really required.
Oh, definitely not. Definitely not. Twisty post. Yeah. Oh, I think I missed the sign, didn't I?
Yeah.
What is it?
The sky ride.
Oh man, that would be so great here.
I know.
You remember in Vertigo at Kings Island? That was the one that was like the bat, except you hang down.
Oh yeah.
They used to have it right here.
Oh really?
Well, a different one, but like the same ride, right?
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, it was called Stinger.
Wow.
I think it was themed to a scorpion.
Oh, okay.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
This ride is so sad. Why is it all by itself?
Nope.
The very bottom of the hill.
Yeah.
They definitely need to add something else down here. Because yeah, ever since Stinger was removed, then it's like, oh, this is really sad.
It seems sad.
So as far as I have heard, then the original plan.
The sign coming up right now.
Cool. Yeah, the original plan was to have all of the Cedar Bear parks get the largest artificial swimming pool in the world. Wow. Yeah, so Dorney really is built off of the off of the water park. There's no denying that. Yeah, some of the Grand Carniale stuff, and I didn't even really know that they had. Oh, this was like the zoo that they had like a partnership with, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's what they said. Oh, and I think the floats for Grand Carniale are in there. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Nothing out that side. Just a fence.
This is kind of a weird ride.
It is. Yeah. But I love it.
It is.
It's so, yeah, it's so cute and like unique. Yeah. Well, now you can see some stuff out that side. Trees and grass, yay! My favorite.
Oh, I've never seen these before.
Yeah, what are you guys doing all the way south here?
It's not time yet.
Yeah. Canadians belong in Canada. Wait.
It's still hot back home.
In the natural spot. Huh. Cool. Oh, I love this bridge. Oh, I gotta adjust the brightness here. Bridge over pretty calm water.
That's cool.
Nice. Oh man, yeah, and then I think the rest of the way basically is gonna be along this this river. Is it a river? I guess it's more of a stream, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's a stream.
Yeah. But yeah, I was saying I'm pretty sure the original plan that Cedar Fair had was to add a WindSeeker at every single one of the parks, and that was going to be like the icon that told you that it was a Cedar Fair park.
Oh, wow.
But Cedar Fair was not happy with with the first few WindSeekers that they bought, so they canceled that idea pretty early on. I mean, look, they've got like queue there for nothing. There used to be a ride there.
Oh, I'm wondering.
Yeah, and it's been quite a while since the ride has been gone.
Why is she standing there? Does anybody even know?
I don't think so. Oh no. Yeah. So the original plan was for this exact plot of land to be the location of their WindSeeker.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, because the plans got canceled, then it just sat as an empty circular plot of concrete for a little bit, and then they put that. That is definitely the loneliest WindSeeker in the chain. And probably the saddest one too. And there goes Possessed. Woo! Oh man. Aw, you're going under a bridge. I don't even know where the bridge leads, but
Fine.
see the old look of Alfundo?
Wow. Yeah, this one's much better.
Yeah. Oh, hello, Antigatos.
Oh.
And wooden roller coaster that's 99 years old.
Really?
Like the street sign there for Steel Force. Oh man, it's great.
This one for Thunderhawk.
Oh yeah. Oh no. The coaster, renamed Thunderhawk later on. It was originally just called the coaster. Oh man. Oh, these rides are actually way better than ours. You have a gas pedal, and there's a little bit of motion from side to side.
Oh, I thought this was just pretend.
No.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I know ours is ridiculously lame in comparison.
The gas pedal makes the car go.
Yeah, you can literally stop the car wherever you want.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we should try to get on that too.
Can they drive it with the GoPro?
You can try. Oh, ducks. Right.
Yep.
not used to seeing like that kind of duck though.
I know.
White ducks are so rare for me.
It's true, they are.
Oh, is this, wait, what is this ramp for? Is that the exit or something, or the entrance? I don't, I'm a little confused. Oh, journey to the center of the earth and the rockets. Oh my goodness, so much history. I love the sign for the Zephyr. Oh no, my camera is misbehaving. No, okay, there we go. Yeah, it's fantastic. Such a cute ride.
It is a cute ride. And you get a little history lesson. It's neat.
Yeah. Thunderhawk. Are we doing that one next?
Sure.
Oh no, wait, we're grabbing a snack next, right?
Yeah, we got 5 minutes until we get a snack.
Yeah. Snack time! Maybe in the meantime we can go see Alfundo and Morgan again.
Sure.
If they're still outside, I don't know. Fantastic. Love it. I don't think they're still outside, but here's Alfundo's house. Fantastic. Dorney Park Zephyr.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment with anything you'd like me to cover in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support me on Patreon so that I can visit more parks and create more wonderful videos.